Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chili dog from The Simpsons. First, gather your ingredients, hot dogs, buns, and all the components for a delicious chili. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 1 large onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get that chili cooking. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot over medium heat, breaking it apart as it cooks. Once it's no longer pink, drain any excess fat. Then, add your diced onion and minced garlic to the pot, cooking until they're soft and fragrant. Stir in a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin for that classic chili flavor. Let your chili simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, or even longer if you have time, to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. While the chili simmers, cook your hot dogs. You can grill them for a smoky char, boil them for tenderness, or pan-fry them. Don't forget to warm your hot dog buns too. A soft bun makes all the difference. Now for the best part, assembly. Place a perfectly cooked hot dog into each warm bun. Then, spoon a generous amount of your delicious, homemade chili right over the top. You can add your favorite toppings like shredded cheese or diced onions if you like. Enjoy your very own Simpsons-style chili dog. And for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.